What's up, YouTube? I got some BAL single stabilizer jacks for my local RV dealership. I'm going to put them on the trailer, try to replace the factory ones that came with, because the metal that they used was a little cheap on my behalf. Thin grade metal. These ones that we have here, 7,500 pounds load capacity, and they're a little beefier than the ones that the trailer came with. So I'm going to switch them out, see if it can kind of eliminate some of that rockiness that I have going on when the stabilizers are down and set at the campground. And yeah, I'm going to open these up and compare the two and install them, test them out, and see what we got. So I got the jacks all set up, all four of them installed. Here's what they look like installed on my trailer. Took the old ones off because the metal that they used on the other ones weren't as thick as the ones that are on these BALs, 7,500 pound capacity. I'm gonna walk around and show you the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out on the next campground. I pushed it, didn't shake very much, a lot less than what it did, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, check these things out if you want to get away with some of the swaying inside the trailer when it's set up at a campground. They're the BAL 7,500 pound load capacity for travel trailers. So thanks for watching. Bye.